Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Seema and this week I'm going to be doing a review of Zenni Optical glasses. I'm also going to be unboxing them for you guys. Obviously, you can't really do a review if you haven't taken the stuff out of the box. This is my order. It came in yesterday. I put my order in at the end of January. I'll put the exact date up here, and it came in yesterday, which was February 5th. And I'm in Canada, obviously, so that'll be the time to get it in Canada. It just comes in like a regular like envelope, like that's padded. I ordered 4 pairs and I can like kind of feel them all put in there. It's packed pretty tightly. I'm just gonna cut it open with some scissors. So I've ordered from Zenni once before. It was about a few years ago, because I had some Zenni glasses, and then between them I got another pair of glasses, which is the pair I was wearing now, and then I ordered from Zenni again. My experience with them last time was pretty good. I ordered 2 pairs of like regular like prescription glasses and then 1 pair of prescription sunglasses. I don't have the like prescription regular glasses anymore because they both broke. But these are the sunglasses. I really liked them at the time. They're very cute. They're kind of like cat eye shaped, and like I can see with them, which I like. Yeah, and they all came in this like case. I think it used to have a little, it says like Zenni Optical really faintly on here, but it's mostly been rubbed off. And I think they also came with like little cleaning cloths. The thing I noticed was, I feel like the prices have gone up a little bit. Last time I got 3 pairs of glasses for under $200, I believe. This time around I got 4 pairs, so just like 1 extra pair, and it was $360 something, including the shipping. It also came a lot faster though. And it's still like way cheaper than you would get from going to like a store. Like $360 would be like 1.5 pairs of glasses if I went to like an actual like glasses place to get them in person, whereas like with Zenni I got 4 pairs of glasses. So, and they're pretty like spiffy. Like I put on some extra stuff that you don't necessarily need. Like if you just want like a basic pair of glasses with like basic lenses, like you can get like a pair for like way cheaper than that. So yeah, with all that out of the way, let's start opening them. I got 2 pairs of regular glasses and 2 pairs of sunglasses. Oh, I was also gonna say the 2 regular pairs that I had before, the reason they broke, it was not like they were shitty or anything. The first pair, I literally hit myself in the face with a car door, and that's what made it like, it snapped, it like hit my face and then it broke. And the other pair, it was just like, I don't remember exactly what happened. One of the like handly things came off and I just didn't bother fixing it because my prescription had changed anyways at that point. Like I probably could have like salvaged those. I just like didn't bother to do it. Yeah, so okay. I've taken the glasses out of the container. So 3 of them come in these glasses cases, which are very similar to the one I just showed you. It just says Zenni in like the Zenni font on this side, and on the back it just says Zenni.com. And then 1 pair comes in this really nice, like it feels like leather, but I don't know if it's like real leather or like fake leather, but it's like this leather feeling green case. It says Timo X Zenni. So I guess this pair, whatever it is, was a collab, but I don't recall if any of the pairs I got were collabs, so I don't actually know which pair is even in this one, but I really do like this case. Like I actually like, it's really nice. It's green, I'm very excited by it. It has this little gold clasp. I guess we can just start with, actually let's leave this one for last because it comes in the nice case. Let's just open this one first. I don't know what it is. So yeah, these are all made in China. The way it works is you go on the website, you can put in your own face and like do this little like face thing where you put in your face and then you can like try on glasses, and like it's in 3D, so you can like move your head and see how it's gonna look. And they'll like recommend stuff based on your face shape and like the pupillary distance between your eyes. You just have to put in your prescription. The one thing you need is your pupillary distance. You can either measure that yourself, but I don't feel personally really comfortable doing that. So I paid $50 to my optometrist to give me that number. The reason I have to pay is because like optometrists don't readily really give out that information because they know you're just gonna go online and get your own glasses. So like mine was like, she didn't want to give it to me, and then I was like, I literally am like willing to pay. She was like, it's $50, and I was like, that's fine, because your prescription might change, but once you're an adult, your pupillary distance won't really change at all. So like once you have that number once, it's like fine. And then you just put in like the prescription, and it'll recommend glasses based on your prescription and your eyes, like your face shape, and just whatever you want. You can customize by like color, glasses type, like material. Like I don't really like titanium glasses, but if you do, you can get that kind of thing. Yeah, they have like a billion options, so like I'm sure you'll find something you like. This is not sponsored, obviously. Like I don't have enough subscribers for anyone to sponsor me, but just like for the record, I'm literally just like giving my honest opinion of like my experience with them before. And like if like I take these out and I hate them and the whole experience like sucks, then like I'll be honest about that too, and that the quality has changed. So you just like pop them open. Oh yeah, so like they come in this little like Ziploc bag. I guess they do this for like safety or to like show it's like new or something, but I don't think it's super necessary. Like they could have just like put the glasses and the cloth in the container. It's like a bit of a waste of plastic, but that's okay. Caring for your new Zennis. I don't know if I remember this from last time, but it has a little customer service thing, something about like making sure the fit is right and how to clean them and stuff. If your glasses fit perfectly out of the case, great. If not, don't panic. New glasses often need minor tweaks to fit your face right. It's important for your glasses to fit comfortably before you can adapt to the vision. Your glasses may need adjusting if they keep sliding down your nose, look crooked on your face, feel uncomfortable in the nose bridge, or feel uncomfortable behind the ears. It's best for an optician to adjust the glasses, but you can do it yourself by following the infographics available in our online help center. You should be able to see clearly with your new Zennis once they fit well. If not, please follow these steps. Check that your prescription is entered correctly. On the Zenni order page, errors happen. New glasses may leave you feeling a bit off balance, so gradually increase your wear time until you fully adapt. Avoid switching back and forth between glasses. It will take longer to adapt, and it can take a few days to adapt to single vision lenses and 2 to 3 weeks for progressive or bifocal lenses. If you're still having vision issues after the adaptation, please consult your doctor. And then for cleaning, it just says wipe your lenses with a microfiber cloth or pre-moistened lens wipe. Never use clothing or tissues. We're all guilty of that, Zenni. I'm sorry, we all do it. For stubborn smudges, use a mild soap with warm water or a lens spray without ammonia. Store your glasses in a case when not wearing. Oh, I always do that like when I first get them, and then I like start like getting lazy about it, which I'm sure we all do. An extreme heat or cold can damage lens coatings. Avoid leaving your glasses in the car on a hot day. So yeah, it comes with this cloth that's just like wrapped around the glasses. Oh, so like one of the pairs I got was like plain black pair, and one of them was like this bright blue color that my friend Elaine, who may or may not be on this video later, encouraged me to get, and I was like, this is out of my comfort zone. I should totally do it. Anyway, so I'm just gonna like, I'm unwrapping the cloth. It's just like a regular like cleaning cloth for glasses. Like it's just like the one you'll get anywhere. And these are the glasses. Oh, they're so pretty. They're this really nice blue color. Let me put them on. You know, you put on new glasses and you don't realize you've been walking around the world blind? That's how I feel right now. Like, sorry, there's gonna be like definitely like some kind of lens flare type situation because of my lighting, but I really like these. I think the one thing is it's like the world feels kind of bumpy, but that's just like what always happens after you like like it said, after you adjust to a new prescription. I really like these. They're really pretty. Also, if my makeup looks super cakey, it's got caked on powder because I was trying to like prevent how much of it would rub off when I put on glasses and then take them off because I knew I'd be taking on and off glasses, but I really, really like these. They're so fun. And like the shape is like, I think it looks fine on me, you know? The other thing too is, let me show you my old glasses. So one of the my like prescription change is why I got new glasses, but the other thing is my old glasses were really irritating me because look how wide they are. They're supposed to be like this, you know, like they're supposed to be like straight, and they had just widened out, which is something I could get fixed if I'd gone to an optometrist and like asked them to tighten it, I'm sure. But because the prescription had changed, I never bothered. But like, look how much tighter these are, like in comparison. Like, they're so much wider. So these would always slide down my face, whereas these are just like staying where they're supposed to be. Pair number 1 is beautiful, off to a great start. I'll put the model numbers in the description box below if I can find them, because like they don't have really names. They generally just look an abstract model number and I can never remember it. So I'll just put the ones I got like in the box below if like you want to check them out. Oh, and then on the inside, I didn't even notice this. On the inside it says trendy, not spendy, which is not something that was there before, but that's what they say now, which is cute. So that's one pair, excellent. This also confirms that my prescription was entered correctly and my pupillary distance hasn't changed, which feels good. It's like I knew consciously that like I'd put in the numbers correctly and that my pupillary distance hadn't changed, but it's like still kind of nerve-wracking, you know, to order glasses online. And that's also why I really recommend using their like try-on tool with your own actual face, because it's already hard enough not being able to see yourself in person and in the store. So like I really take advantage of all the tools they offer because it'll just make your experience more seamless. Like my mom didn't pay to get her pupillary distance and she tried to measure it herself and it was like really off. And so the ones she got were never good. But like me and my brother, because we both did that, like our pairs are always like, or at least the last time we got them, because we've only done this once before, but they were great. Also in terms of like what preference I like, I don't really like, they have ones with like really thick like handles. I don't really like that personally because then I can kind of see them in my like vision and I don't love that. So I always go for glasses that have like thinner handles, but if you like the bigger style, that's also an option. Okay, let's open the next pair. Ooh, I think these are sunglasses. They feel thicker. So again, plastic bags. You didn't need to do all this, Zenni. It's a little wasteful. Same little note card, same little wrap. I don't know why they wrap like one of the handles and then one of them is with plastic and one isn't. I don't understand the purpose, but okay. Once again, this is wrapped. Ooh, these are heart sunglasses. I've been wanting heart sunglasses forever and I finally got them. Look how cute these are. Oh my God. Ooh, these are so fun. Oh, these are so cute, girl. I love these so much. They're so fun. Holy shit. Look how cute. And yeah, they're prescription, like I can fully see, which is great. And I got the ones that are gradient. They're not like super obviously gradient, but I do like it because I've noticed like in the summer when you go places and it's like, you know, you don't want to keep taking your glasses on and off. You're going inside somewhere or like in a tunnel or something and then you're gonna go back into the sun. And so you can like, kind of like focus your eyes on the bottom parts and still see. Whereas like if you're like inside and it was all sunglasses material, it would just be a lot more irritating, you know? The gradient is more expensive though, so if you don't want to pay gradient, you can just get like flat. One of my pairs of sunglasses is just gonna be like the flat style, so you'll get to see that too. Okay, let's open the last pair that come in these containers and then we'll go on to the, I have a feeling that this is also a pair of sunglasses and that the one I got that was a collaboration is like, they're in a really weird shape. And I feel like that's probably what part of the collaboration was. Some crazy designer probably did it. Yeah, these are definitely sunglasses too. Again, they come in this plastic bag. I guess I'll save these Ziplocs and use them for something. Maybe I'll put like Luna's treats in them when we go for walks or something. I don't know. It's a little handling guide. Once again, one side is wrapped in this plastic. You take off the little cloth. I'm gonna have cloth for days. And these are sunglasses. These are what Elaine calls my Lady Gaga sunglasses. They're bigger than I thought they would be, but they're like fun. And they kind of match my like scrunchie on this side. I feel so fucking cool, you guys. Holy shit. Like I am the baddest bitch. Also, look what I'm wearing. I got this like 2 years ago, something like that. Whenever I was visiting my friend Rebecca. Hi Rebecca, if you're watching this. We went to a medieval festival and there was a booth that was selling these like wood necklaces and they had an orca. And like, because of who I am as a person, I had to get it. And I just decided to put it on today because I remembered I had it. And I was like looking for earrings and I found this in the same container and I was like, I'm gonna put these on. Anyways, besides the point, look how cute. Look how freaking cute. Dude, I feel like such a bad bitch. And when I like choose, I can put one pair of sunglasses like in a bag or something in case I forget my sunglasses, and then I can like actually have like one pair that's at home that I like consciously put on, but then if I forget them one day, I can be like, oh shit, I'll have my backup pair of sunglasses. It's great. And then these all feel great. By the way, the prescription feels perfect. They feel good on my face. They feel really comfortable. Again, because I put my measurements in, like I really think the Zenni experience is optimal if you really make sure you get all your information and like give them as much information as you can, and they will tailor like the recommendations as the best they can to you. I think the less you put in, the more likely you are to get like glasses that don't fit your face properly, or just like don't align right, or just like go wrong somehow, you know? Okay, this is the last pair in this beautiful glasses case. This also comes in a bag, are you kidding? But these are the ones that if I like how they look, which I'm really hoping I do, are gonna be my everyday glasses, which is really fun because they're so kooky. Again, user guide. Again, little cloth and one little plastic. Oh, these are so fun. Okay guys, oh shit, holy crap. Hi. Oh. First of all, I love that my like future everyday glasses are in this nice case. That's like total coincidence. Like I really like things in the shade of green because yes, it's 2021. Yes, Joanne Kathleen Rowling is canceled, but I still like personally in my heart self-identify as a Slytherin, so this is fun for me. But I like that the ones I'm gonna wear every day are in this color. These look really good. I think they're a little slippy. I think I might need to take them to get like a little tightened because they just feel a little looser on the side of my face than the other ones did. But that's like an easily solvable problem that like a person who knows what they're doing can fix. But I am like really digging these actually. I was really worried the shape would be like a little weird, but I'm having like a lot of fun. I don't know, I like these. Hi, it's me. What do you guys think? Nice, I like these. Now I'm gonna try calling my friend Elaine because I ordered these with her on the phone with me, so I want to see what she thinks. Hi.
Whoa.
I don't know why I look so yellow.
Yeah, you look very yellow, but you also look very vibrant.
Thank you. I think it's because I have like the ring light on. I don't know why the ring light does that though. Hi.
It doesn't look that way on camera in other contexts.
I know. Elaine, say hello to the internet.
Oh my god, am I on camera?
You are on camera.
Oh good lord, I didn't get dressed for this. It's okay.
Oh, I flipped you back over. Anyways, do you want to see the glasses?
Yeah, I do want to see the glasses.
Okay, let's do Lady Gaga first.
Yes. I'm really excited at Lady Gaga ones.
Alright.
Oh, they look so good. Oh my god, they're not as giant as I was worried they might be.
I was actually, I thought they were gonna be smaller. So
they look great.
These are good size.
You look like a cool new wave person.
I know.
Like, if you're gonna wear those, I'm gonna have to teach you some David Bowie information.
Okay. I think that's a compromise.
I'll figure it out.
That's a good compromise.
I'm gonna force you to listen to some 80s music so that you're ready to wear those.
Okay.
Yeah, that is a look. Oh my god.
Thank you. Thank you.
Like if you do like a red lip with that, that's gonna kill. Like that's going to destroy.
I know. All right. Heart ones now.
Oh, those are cute.
Am I cute?
They're cute though. I like them.
Yeah. It has like the gradient at the bottom, which I like, but it's not like so severe that it like distracts you. I'm like.
Yeah. No, I think they're really great.
Me too. Thanks, man. Everything's going swimmingly. Okay. So these are the blue ones.
Oh, they're so shiny. Oh my gosh.
Hello.
Aww. They're really, really cute. Oh my goodness.
I know. We've had like all bangers. Like I was so worried we're gonna have like at least one miss. But it's been like all bangers.
Cute. I love those. Oh my god. Okay, and do you have the blue scrunchie in your hair right now? Is that what I'm seeing?
I do. There's a blue one on this. Well, it's because I didn't have purple scrunchies to match the thing, so I put a red one on this side and a blue one on this side.
It's really, really cute. Oh my god.
Thanks, man.
You look like a teen icon.
It's all I've ever wanted to be is a teen icon.
I know.
A 26-year-old teen icon. And they all, so these three all came in like this kind of case. But you know the weird black ones that we got for my everyday wear? Apparently, I guess those were like some kind of collaboration that I was unaware of and it didn't say on the website. So they come in this fancy green case that says Zemo X Zenni on it, but I really like the case. It's really pretty.
Who makes
Well, I think the actual, like, it's the same company, but someone named Timo, I guess, designed them. I'll look him up and see if I can find, like, some information about him.
Politically abhorrent rapper who's decided to make glasses as a...
I hope not, but...
Oh, they look really cool!
I know!
God. But they're close enough to your old ones that they're not, like, that much of a departure, but, like, they're just interesting.
Yeah, well, I was gonna say, it was, like, they're not weird enough to be, like, unsettling, but they're definitely, like, the geometric shape of it is kind of, like, enough to have you going, like, huh, something's happening there.
Over there.
Yeah, so...
Oh, I really like them.
I know.
They look sophisticated.
Thanks.
Yeah.
I know things.
This is a good thing.
I know. Like, all hits, man. They were all hits.
All hits. Okay, and your hair is so much fun. Like, I'm loving the style.
Thank you. I put on the sweater and I was like, I'm gonna be a teen icon today. I just wanted to see what you thought of the glasses that you helped me pick out.
I really like them. I'm very excited that the sunglasses all worked too. Like, cause I was kind of we were iffy on the Gaga ones, right?
I know, we were. Well, cause I look that you thought they were bigger, cause I thought they were smaller than they were. I thought they were like the really like small ones that are super in right now, like the really like tiny ones. I was like,
oh no, I definitely thought they were much bigger.
So they work. All hits, man. We got all hits. No misses.
Oh my god, you're gonna have to go outside so people can see you. Like, go for an unnecessarily long walk with Luna. Like, give Luna a cool scarf and put on your cool sunglasses and just...
She's a red bandana, like a red, it's like a red plaid bandana. I can put on, yeah.
Dog fashion. I love this character arc for you.
Thanks, I love it too.
Congratulations on being a cool teen.
Thanks, man. I finally did it.
But you're nailing it, man. Like,
Thanks.
Nobody's a cooler teen than you.
Thanks. I want to be the coolest teen, you know? I want to be a cool teen so bad. I want to be homecoming queen. Do you think they'll vote me?
We don't even have homecoming.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck homecoming is. Well, I want to be homecoming queen, but I don't know what homecoming is. Like, I know what prom queen is because I went to prom, but I want to be homecoming queen. That sounds more fun.
I think they only have that in the States. Alright, well, congratulations on being a cool teen.
Thanks.
I am going to go back to watching this Parks and Rec episode, and then I'm going to go to sleep.
I should edit, so sounds good. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye. So I'll keep these on for the duration of the video. I'll scoot back a bit though, just so you guys can hopefully reduce the glare. So yeah, as you guys saw, Zenni, this isn't really a first impression of the brand because I've used them before. I can say the quality that I experienced before, it's still there. The prices have gone up a little bit, but that's okay. I think the service is really nice. Like the glasses came better packaged, I think, than they did last time. Even though last time they came and they were in like one piece, like they came really good. The quality seems the same, which is good. Like mine lasted me like well past when my prescription changed. So like by the time they broke, I was like okay with it. So like unless you're like fist fighting your glasses, like they'll be fine. The quality is really good, the prescription is really good. I think the site is really easy to use and has a lot of tools to really make sure you're getting the best glasses you can get for yourself at like really, I think, reasonable prices, personally. Yeah, I have like nothing but like positive commentary to say about Zenni. I think their website is great. I really like that they make glasses that are like stylish but still like affordable for a lot of people, because like going to get glasses is a really expensive experience. Like I remember when I was younger, I was stressed out about getting new glasses because like before I knew about sites like Zenni, I really did not feel comfortable shelling out that much money, and I could never get like I had never had prescription sunglasses before Zenni, so I would just like not wear sunglasses because I was like, I can't see if I'm wearing regular sunglasses, and like prescription sunglasses were like so expensive and like so hard to get. Like they were just something I'd never had before. So I like really like this sounds like I'm exaggerating because like I'm like raving about it, but really it's a great service. I highly recommend it. These glasses are great. I'm really excited to wear them. Yeah, if you have any questions, put your questions down below. I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you wanted to follow me on other social media, you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And if you wanted to subscribe, that would be awesome. I post videos every Wednesday, and if you could drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it, that would be great. I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.